It's 11. Fire alarm went off at 11:18 this morning, Thursday, November 10th, 2022. They heard us talking about the fire alarms because they're invading our privacy. They heard us, talking about the evidence that we have. And speak of the devil, the fire alarm is once again pulled for the third time in a 24-hour period. Earlier this morning, they pulled it at 3:56 a.m. for 18 in the morning, and now we have 11:18 in the morning. So that's right on the right on the eights there.
Yeah.
And clock like precision. And the special constable was here, and they pulled the alarm. I'm gonna see. That's a good idea. Let's see if the special constable is here, and we'll know who pulled the alarm. Nope. Well, they could be in back, but they don't usually park in back. So once again, I will be conducting my recordings. We'll wait for the fire truck to get here.